Now, before we wrap up this section, let's talk about how all these concepts, the musical alphabet, scales and keys, time signatures, rhythm and tempo, chords and harmony, and reading sheet music all fit into real-world applications. Understanding these fundamentals is not just an academic exercise. It is a toolkit that empowers you to compose your own songs, collaborate with other musicians, and even improvise on the fly. Whether you're jamming with friends, writing your next hit song, or performing on stage, these are the building blocks that will elevate your musicianship to a professional level. If you're hungry for more, don't forget to check our community forums to share your thoughts or ask any questions. Click on the lesson below to continue your musical journey. But don't forget to do the call to action. So, take what you've learned about scales and keys and try composing a simple melody. Share it with our online community for feedback. Then, analyze a favourite song. Pick one of your favourite songs and analyze its time signature, key and chord progression. Share your findings in our discussion forum.